different candidates.
ठीक है जी.
Your case is they're exactly the same.
Yes, and may I elaborate? I am the Election Commission of Pakistan, and that's how I see it. I see you want to contest election, give me a declaration and a party affiliation certificate, both. If you bring me both,
the court, by order of the court, he wants to, his party wants to, but by order of the court, he can't do it.
My lord, the party is bound by the judgment of the Supreme Court on the law.
Sikandar,
He does. There is, because my lord, मैंने कहा मेरा straightforward सी position है.
Answer मैं समझ गया.
बिल्कुल जी. It's binary.
Sikandar, the way
I don't know. Sorry, if you're not going to argue your case, please note the question. I mean, half a provision we're reading and you are responding. Please finish the reading.
Sikandar, the way you are interpreting
अभी
this,
तो
the
इंटरप्रिटेशन
election
की बात
commission.
नहीं आई, भी तो पढ़ने वाली बात है ना. पढ़ तो लेना प्लीज. मैं देख लूं तो एक दफा.
आपका जो इंटरप्रिटेशन है इलेक्शन कमीशन जिस तरह कर रही है, आप कह रहे हैं कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी इनलिस्टेड ही रहेगी.
जी बिल्कुल.
लेकिन now there is a prohibition. It cannot contest the elections only because the symbol has been taken away.
Absolutely.
This is your interpretation.
I absolutely say this.
Where is this prohibition in the statute, and how would it reconcile with Article 17?
बिल्कुल ठीक है जी. I'll answer. I'll note this and respond to it.
आप ये नोट कर लें, हमें पहले लर्नड काउंसिल, आप ये नोट कर लें, हमें पहले वो प्रोविजन 67 पूरा पढ़ के तो सुनाएं.
Equal, sir.
So मैं नोट कर लें ये क्वेश्चन.
My lord, I will answer. I fear I might.
पढ़ें जरा, फिर से पढ़ें. Read 67 again.
My lord, I'll read it unbroken this time. If after withdrawal, if any, there are more than one contesting candidates in the constituency, the returning officer shall allot, subject to any direction of the commission, one of the prescribed symbols to each contesting candidate. Subsection 2. A candidate nominated by a political party at an election in any constituency shall be allotted the symbol allocated by the commission to that political party under the provisions of Chapter 12 and no other symbol. 3. A candidate not nominated by any political party, hereinafter called as independent candidate, shall choose and shall be allocated one of the symbols not allocated to any political party in the following manner. A, where a symbol has been chosen by only one independent candidate, that symbol shall be allotted to that candidate and to no one else. If a symbol is chosen by more than one independent candidate, one of them has previously been a member of the National Assembly or a provincial assembly, such symbol shall be allotted to that former member. And C, if more than one independent candidates have given preference for the same symbol, the symbol shall be allotted by drawing of lots. No symbol shall be allotted to any candidate other than the prescribed symbols. Subclause 5. In every constituency where election is contested, different symbols shall be allotted to each contesting candidate.
Now I have just been sort of floored by your submission. So if I understand your submission correctly, what you are telling us is that the effect, at the very least, the effect of the Supreme Court judgment in saying that the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf cannot be allocated the badge symbol is to eliminate the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf as a political party from the electoral fray for the general election of 2024. Is this what you?
That is absolutely not, my lord, what I have said, and I apologize. And let me now phrase what I said.
But
my lord, let me please answer this. Very important, because my lord has been floored, so I want to unfloor that.
Absolutely flabbergasted.
No, my lord, please don't be.
Reading a judgment.
Let me answer, my lord. That's not what I said at all. What I said is this. I said that a candidate, in order to be treated as being nominated by a political party, must, one, give a declaration on oath, that he belongs to that party and give a party affiliation certificate. That is one. Number two, in order to contest election under a common election symbol of a political party, the candidate must have the common election symbol. The common election symbol was not available to this political party.
Why?
My lord, because in that scenario, not this situation, candidate. I think that's not a fair characterization, my lord. That I am saying that it eliminated the political party.
पहली बात ये है कि पहली एक दफा बात होती है कि जजमेंट की बात ना करें और फिर जजमेंट की बात हो रही है. अगर जजमेंट की बात है तो कम से कम खोल के पढ़ें.
My lord, I am not referring to it.
नहीं तो please argue your way because that's not the judgment. It is the law. इसमें पढ़ लें जरा पैराग्राफ 15. In the instant case, no one sought to deprive the PTI of an election symbol, not the ECP, the government, nor any political party. Now, one of the things is when you don't hold an election, that's the result. You can do it tomorrow. Election kar lein. Le lo वापस symbol. It's not a end time thing. I mean, I was very surprised कि election फिर भी नहीं कर रहे हो. 10 दफा वो कह रहे हैं हम नहीं करेंगे, आप कुछ कर लो. भाई हमने कानून नहीं बनाया, जिसने कानून बनाया उसको जाके कहो कि क्यों लिखी है. नहीं देखें, ये मुनासिब बात नहीं है. या तो अगर आप जजमेंट बार-बार रेफर कर रहे हैं फिर उसको पढ़ के बताइए कहाँ लिखी हुई हैं ये बातें. ये आप या तो अपने आर्ग्यूमेंट करें. हमके तो कोई लिमिट होती है ना कि आप बस हम चले जाएं क्या कब तक की केस सुनेंगे. कोई खत्म तो करना चाहिए ना केस. हर केस कोई महीनों तो नहीं चलना चाहिए. कोई बाकी लोग भी तो सफर कर रहे हैं. थाउजेंड्स ऑफ केसेस आर पेंडिंग.
सिकंदर, इसका मतलब है
आप प्लीज अपना आर्ग्यू करिए.
To understand your point, you are saying that
पॉइंट आपने कहा ही नहीं. आपने 2 सेकंड.
the binary thing, right? That either you get the symbol and then you are a candidate of the political party, or you don't and you're an independent candidate. ये तो आपकी बात मुझे ठीक समझ आई है. Now here is a problem, a difficulty, that on account of a judgment of the Supreme Court, and I will say that because Election Commission has based itself on that judgment. On that, we are unable to give you that election symbol. Therefore, you become an independent candidate.
And this is also how you have interpreted it in your order of the 2nd February.
आप देखिए, आप
जो कहना चाहते हैं वो कहें ताकि मैं हमें समझ जाए आप कहना क्या चाहते हैं.
My lord, I thought I was extremely clear, my lord. If my lord saying that I wasn't,
आप जो binary कह रहे हैं,
you were not, so that's why
I wasn't. So my lord, may I ask my lord to help me so I can help?
No, I just want to understand. Adding to what
I want to hear you.
My lord, I want to argue.
I think we should hear counsel, and then we can write anything we want to. That's our prerogative. But at least अपना argument तो खत्म करें. हम आपसे 100 सवाल पूछ लेंगे. आप अपना एक contention तो record का. अभी तक तो आपने 2 section पढ़े हैं.
जी बिल्कुल.
आगे बढ़िए.
हाँ या ना में जवाब दीजिएगा.
If we don't understand the section, what do we do? What do we do?
Which bit should I explain?
I don't understand 63, your interpretation, 67(3). You were saying, देखें, जो सवाल पहले आ रहा है, we need to understand, we have to stop you here to understand this, or we can just not understand and go ahead.
My lord, but at any moment...
So the question is that how does one become independent in this particular scenario where he has been nominated by a political party but does not get a symbol, does not mean he becomes independent. He would become independent if he was not nominated by a political party. In this case, the circumstances are different. He is nominated but does not have a symbol.
Lord,
would that also mean that he's independent? That's the question.
My lord, I read the section. Let me please argue. Can I have half an hour, and then at the end of this, maybe I will have answered some of these questions, and then, my lord, I can answer them. May I take my lords through the way I have prepared the case?
I have repeatedly told you to do so. You elect not to do so. What can I do? Please note the question and respond.
I have just developed the courage to ask the bench this, my lord.
Please, आप
argue करें.
So, my lord, I was reading. I'll go back to my own.
एक second.
I mean, let's be fair to everyone. We have to conclude things. We have to hear other cases also.
Sikandar, this is a very crucial question, and you must answer it very clearly. Again, I'm asking you. I'd also asked you earlier,
sir.
As you are interpreting subsection 3, you are saying, in other words, that if a party does not have an election symbol, it may be enlisted, but it is barred from nominating any candidate. This is your statement, is it correctly understood?
My lord, may I note this and respond to it once I've made my principal submission?
आगे चलें, ये आपको बार-बार कह रहे हैं, नोट करें आगे.
इसके साथ एक और बात भी नोट कर ले, क्योंकि बार-बार जजमेंट की बात हो रही है कि जजमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट की जजमेंट, ये बात ध्यान में रख लें. लास्ट डेट ऑफ पब्लिकेशन ऑफ रिवाइज्ड लिस्ट वाज 12th of January.
जी
ठीक,
बिल्कुल.
जजमेंट आई 13 को, तो इसका मतलब ये कि 12 तारीख को जिस कैंडिडेट ने नॉमिनेशन पेपर सबमिट किया उनके साथ सर्टिफिकेट, एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट होना चाहिए था. अभी तक आपको जजमेंट नहीं आई है.
माय लॉर्ड, वो सर्टिफिकेट माय लॉर्ड, वो सर्टिफिकेट ही है जो मैं आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग टू माय लॉर्ड.
वो सर्टिफिकेट आना चाहिए 12 तक.
माय लॉर्ड, वो 13 को आता है, वो 13 को दिया जाता है, बिकॉज वो सर्टिफिकेट दिखा के आप कॉमन इलेक्शन सिंबल लेंगे या आपको इंडिपेंडेंट सिंबल मिलेगा. नॉट ऑन 12 को द फाइनल कैंडिडेट्स लिस्ट वाज फाइनलाइज्ड.
रिवाइज लिस्ट 12 को होती है
जी. तो 13 को द नेक्स्ट डे यू गो विद योर पार्टी एफिलिएशन सर्टिफिकेट एंड यू देन सी द रेलेवेंट सिंबल.
13 को आप सिंबल्स देते हैं
जी,
या तो वो सिंबल देते हैं जो पार्टी को दियो. अगर पार्टी को ना मिला हो, क्या आप कैंडिडेट को डिप्राइव कर सकते हैं एक सिंबल से?
माय लॉर्ड, द कैंडिडेट अप्लाइज फॉर दीज. लेट मी टेक माय लॉर्ड
your own order, as per your own order in para 10, you have written, notwithstanding the affiliation of the petitioner with the PTI and alleged party ticket, including entries of party affiliation, they cannot be given the symbol of the party in view of the judgments of the court. You have said so yourself here, that because the party cannot be given the symbol, therefore they cannot show themselves as affiliated to that party. And you have made them independent candidates.
No, I will answer this by taking my to the record.
Be prepared for dinner tonight. We'll take a short break and reconvene at 3 o'clock. Okay?
My lord, may I continue, please, my lord?
No, you continue after 3 o'clock. We'll come at 3.
ठीक है जी.
ठीक है.
I forgot the clock. I'm sorry.
अच्छा. मैं आज खाने का